Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can run Django project downloaded from GitHub. So here you can see this is a Django project and I am going to show you how you can download this and run it on your system. So first of all, we need to download this Django project. So for it, here you can see code option. So after clicking on code, you will see download zip option. So click on download zip and it will download this project. Here you can see. So right now let me just go to the download location and here you can see this is our project and let me just cut it from here and I will put this project in local disk G over here. So Control V and there you can see. So right now first of all we need to extract this project. So I'm going to right click on extract all and I'll directly extract it to the local disk G. So I'll just do this, then click on extract and there you can see project is extracting and it is done. So after this we need to go inside this folder and here we are going to open a command prompt. So for it we'll just go at the top and click here, then we'll write over here cmd, then press enter and it will open a command prompt like this. So let me just zoom in and here you can see that there is the virtual environment. So first of all we need to set up the virtual environment. So for it we need to write over here python -m -tenv, then we need to write the virtual environment name. Let's say the name will be same venv. So you need to write this command, then you need to press enter and there you can see a folder is created over here venv. And right now we need to activate this virtual environment. So for it we need to mention the folder name, which is this one venv. Then we need to give a slash. We are going to write over here scripts and S will be capital. Then we need to give another slash and we need to say here activate. Then press enter and there you can see our virtual environment is right now activated. So now here you will see a requirements.txt file in your Django project. But if the file is missing, then you need to create this file. And if you want to know how to create requirements.txt file, then I will give a video link over here in the eye icon, just check it. So right now we need to install this requirement.txt. So for it we need to say over here p install -r requirements.txt, then press enter. So it will install and download some file. It will take some time depending on the project size. Right now I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see it is done. So after this we need to migrate the database. Here you can see we have a database over here. So in the database we have some tables. So we need to migrate those tables. So for it we need to write over here python manage.py. Then we need to say over here migrate. So this will migrate the table in the database. So right now I am going to press enter and there you can see it is done. After that we are going to create a super user. So in order to create a super user we need to say over here python manage.py. Then we need to say here create super user. Then press enter. So for the super user we need to give a name. So let's say the name will be Yamin. So this will create a super user. The username is Yamin. The email will be yamin@gmail.com. Then the password will be, let's say, yamin123 and we need to give the password again yamin123. Then press enter and setup is complete. And right now all is left is to run the project. And in order to run the project we need to say over here python manage.py. We need to say here run server. Then press enter and it's done. So we need to copy this, then we'll go back to our browser, paste it over here, press enter and there you go. So we are able to successfully run our Django project downloaded from GitHub. I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or if you face any issue, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.